Hi everyone, a very good morning. I'm very excited today. We are we are having our scenario-based Tableau training batch 7 kickoff session. So before even going into discussion about what this training is, how this goes, we have people who have already got trained and got placed. They're working. So I just want them to give their feedback, right, about how the training was, how it helped them, and all the things, and then we'll go into discussion. Before that, am I audible, guys? Am I audible?
Yes, Rajeshwar, you are audible.
Yes, audible, audible.
Great. Yeah, let's go ahead. And please, can you unmute and speak? Whoever have attended the are currently attending the scenario-based Tableau training sessions.
So you want to give us introduction? Our intro.
No, Anchal, you can. Okay, Anchal, you
Hello,
can talk about your training. How is this going
hello.
and all?
Hi everyone. I have joined this training for my learning purpose, and it was a very good experience for me. Actually, I was trying to find a job in Tableau, and I was lucky enough to get a job in Tableau. I was working in Capgemini. I got IBM. So I actually found sir from LinkedIn and other things, because I had been following him from few months, because I have seen his videos on YouTube, and I like the way of explanation. So I decided there are other options as well, but I decided to join the sir's class because I really like the way of presentation and everything. So after joining this class, I was giving interviews also, side by side, and I was means out of the interview because I was not well. I have not that much knowledge. So I have on my own I can crack the first round of interview, but for the second round you have some experience on that, and this training will definitely help you because they will throw you some experience based questions, like what will be the set actions and what are the parameter actions, and you need to provide some scenarios. So whatever the scenarios this training has, that will definitely help you, because when you explain them, and the way of explanation will definitely matters, and how well if you explain those scenarios, then definitely this thing will definitely help you in your interviews, and you will successfully clear the second round. So right now only most of the companies are handling only first round of interviews, and if there are second round, then you can easily crack. And if you get any good offer, then you can ask for high offers for startup based or small companies, and you can negotiate with the good company on that. So at in the end you will get good offers. So this is my experience. It is a very nice coaching. It really helped me.
Okay. Thank you, Anchal. Anyone more?
Hello, Rajeshwar.
Hey,
Hello,
Sunil.
Rajeshwar.
Yeah, hi.
I am Sunil.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi. Yeah. Good morning, all. I just would like to share my journey, what and all happened with after Rajeshwar training. So actually, I came across the Rajeshwar profile in YouTube. So where he is explaining his upcoming sessions and batches. So I actually joined during the second batch of his scenario-based training. Frankly speaking, I am from non-IT background, so I'm kind of worried whether can I enter into IT field, whether I get a job or not. Actually, I am working in some other field where I had a huge amount of experience. I was worried. I just had a call with Rajeshwar, and he explained me how I can go into IT field, what and all things I can portray in present interviews. So what happened was at the end of the course, after the completion of course, within 15 days, I got offers around three offers, and then I am in the final rounds for a couple of companies. So actually I got 170% of hike based on mostly the scenarios what and all happened in the interview was everything based on Rajeshwar real time scenarios. So if you ask me, I can pretty much assure you guys, you will definitely come with a good amount of knowledge after completion of sessions. So regarding LODs, the different type of critical parts, however Rajeshwar and Kalpana ma'am explaining the things, it is very pretty much very clear. You can learn it from scratch to the high end scenarios. So that I can assure you for sure because I went through this training. I cracked three interviews and then I am in final rounds for a couple of interviews. So I can say I'm one of the happiest person now. These are all about my journey with Rajeshwar. So I definitely would like to thank Rajeshwar and Kalpana for doing these sessions, which improves everybody's knowledge. So gaining knowledge is not a big thing, but sharing knowledge is a very very good thing. So which these two people were sharing it to everybody. I'm very happy to attend these sessions. That's all about my journey with Rajeshwar.
Yeah. Thank you, Sunil. Thanks a lot. So anyone more? Did anyone wants to share their experience?
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Hi, Rajeshwar. Hi, everyone.
Hey, Digvijay. Hi.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I'm from Pune. Now I'm working as a BI developer. I got a chance. Right now I'm working on the Power BI and looking to learn Tableau. So I got a chance in working on the Tableau also. Right now I'm migrating the report from the Oracle OBA to Power BI and Tableau. But I think good in the I mean scenario. I need to work on the more scenarios in the Tableau. So main reason is that to joining this class to more work on the scenarios. I mean I gone through your all the videos like top LODs, 15 LODs are the best videos. So after seeing these videos, I joined your class.
Okay.
So I'm looking forward. I mean this class will help me to make my career more stronger and stronger. So
Definitely.
after the
Definitely.
completion of class, I will start giving interview on the Tableau. So I
Great.
have worked on experience in the Power BI, but also Tableau is required for my career. So that's why I joined this class.
Yeah. Perfect. So
Yeah, that's
yeah,
it.
these are the experiences. Yeah. Thank you, Digvijay. Thanks a lot. So these are the experiences that people have joined with us who have took training from us earlier. Now here, what we pride more. Kalpana, are you there?
Yes,
Just a moment,
Rajeshwar.
guys.
Yes,
Can you
Rajeshwar.
please stop? Can you please stop sharing the screen?
Yeah.
So okay. So here, the thing about scenario based Tableau training, the thing that we pride about scenario based Tableau training is this training is not only to impart knowledge on Tableau, right? This training is about empowering you to work on Tableau. Okay, so by that I mean, just give me a second. Yeah, let me share my screen. Okay, my screen visible?
No, no.
Yeah.
No, Rajeshwar.
So now is it visible?
Yes.
Yes.
So guys, please mute. So here, the thing that we pride about scenarios based Tableau training is this is just a glimpse of what we provide in that. Now see, generally I'm in this industry for somewhere around 7 years, and Kalpana, I don't know, she's one of those ancient Tableau developers because she worked from somewhere around version 8 or 9, if I'm not wrong. So from there, I was looking at the industry, and to be frank, Tableau, initially there was a misconception that it can be learned in 15 days, 1 month, or 45 days, because it is just a drag and drop. But when I started taking interviews for the people in my company, I took in 6 months, I took interviews of 45 people. And trust me, people have theoretical understanding about Tableau. They didn't have this implementation part, because whenever you whenever you join a job, you need to start implementing that, right? That is more important, because in interview they might sometimes they might ask you theory, but even in interview they'll ask you scenarios. How do you implement this? How do you get this? And when you go into real time, every day in and out, what you work is on scenarios, because a dashboard is made of views, and every view is a scenario. So if you clearly understand how to build these scenarios, then when you go into your real time, then you can actually successfully implement them and become a good Tableau developer. And that is what I thought. To be frank, not even me, that is what Kalpana thought, right? Because she is the driving force behind the scenario based Tableau. In this, what we thought is, initially we gave this regular theoretical based training, we gave it, but there is something missing, because we are imparting theory, but how do they get to know the implementation part of it? How do they know how to approach the solution? How do they know how to debug it? Like if I'm going right or not, right? So what we did is, we divided the training into two parts. One is theoretical part, total recorded videos, because we wanted people to be interactive. We wanted people to actually have the stuff that they need to become a efficient Tableau developer. So that is why in the theory part, we talked about the tools. Whatever the tool theoretical part is there, we have included them, all of them in the recorded videos. So every week, like the recorded videos, every week's recorded videos are there. In those recorded videos, you can watch those videos, and along with that, we also gave you scenarios. So with these recorded videos, you'll also get the scenarios regarding how to like you watched a video, a set of videos, and the scenarios will be at the end of that week, like in the recorded videos only. Let me show you that. Just a moment. Let me open that. Okay. Let me start sharing. Okay, so here I am logging in. Right. Now, when I go to here, this is my website. When I go to my courses here, in this, let me go to this. Like this is the default view for anyone who registers in the website, right? So I'm going into the first 2 weeks. This is what you'll be discussing. So these are all the theoretical discussion.
Hi guys, welcome to another Tableau session.
So this is the total theoretical recordings. Along with that, you will see the scenarios. This is how it will go for throughout the training. So first thing is, you will watch the videos which are in detail. It is not just to the point. You should see for first week only we have around 16 videos, and week 2 also we have 17 videos. So we try to make it as detailed as possible. Whenever we are giving you theory itself is in detail. So you can watch that theory at your self pace whenever you are free, whatever your time frame is. Based on that, you can watch, and then you can address the scenarios just like whatever you are seeing in here, right? And these are the scenarios which we will be discussing also in the session. These are the scenarios which we will be discussing. So the training, it goes in such a way that first you will watch the recorded videos, and then you will watch your then you will try to implement these whatever you have gone through in the recorded videos. You will try to implement using scenarios. So then you will have a conceptual understanding. Okay, this is how I'll use that in real time. And mind you, these scenarios, yeah, this might be look simple because this is the starting, but these are the implementation level scenarios, not just the theoretical based. Okay. Then in the live sessions, again, we will be discussing these scenarios, not all, but one for a sample sort of, so that you will have these scenarios in hand. You have already watched the recorded videos. You attempted the scenarios. Now in live sessions, we are again discussing about those scenarios. Now, this is where we'll have second reinforcement. Because after watching the videos and attempting the scenarios, you will have the first level of reinforcement in the live sessions. You will have that second level of reinforcement also. Right? So this is how we want to make you understand and implement and also learn how they are used in the real time. Right? Along with this, we are also giving opportunities like social profile building. If you want to start your social profile building, then you can reach out to us. Basically, Srikanth, he is the one who is handling that. So you can reach out to Srikanth. He will help you how to build your social profile. And not only that, we have many things coming in. We are also about to launch Earn While You Learn program also. We are giving you an opportunity when if you are serious about your subject, if you know how to implement them, then we are bringing in new ways for you to exhibit that subject. And then there is a earning program associated with that also, only for the people who have enrolled. Okay, so even before going into that everything part, now let's discuss why it is Tableau. Right? Let me start with my journey first. I'm a computer science graduate, 2008 passed out. After that, even if I'm a computer science graduate, these what do you say, these Java and all these things, these were never my cup of tea. I worked 1 year in Google Maps, KPU, and then I went for my MBA in Wellington, and then I worked as a real estate in a real estate firm. I worked as a marketing manager. So from 2008 to 2013 till I complete my MBA, I didn't even work as an IT employee for 1 day at least. But in 2013, I saw my sister working on Tableau. Literally speaking, guys, I was so overwhelmed looking at Tableau because for me, I'm not a coding or a scripting. I can't do that. I can't understand all these. If you talk about OOPS concept, or if you ask about, I don't know, there are many other things that doesn't even enter my mind. But the moment I saw Tableau, I'm like attached to it. The reason being, there is no coding, literally no coding, and no scripting, only and only logic. If you understand the tool and you understand how various features of the tools are behaving, then you are good to work on Tableau. That is the reason I say Tableau is a perfect gateway into your IT experience. You can become an IT employee. Now, recently that Sunil has spoken, he is a mechanical engineer. He, like me, he doesn't even know S about software. But still, after learning this, he was able to mend himself as a Tableau developer. Now he's at a 170% hike. And to be frank, that is the biggest hike that I ever heard. 170% is not a small thing, but that is possible only using Tableau. A person who is a total novice to IT industry can have a strong foothold and get a very good package in the IT industry, right? So the reason with this, the reason for Tableau training or the scenario based Tableau training to implement this is because majorly it is because it doesn't require anything. If you have this will to crack the logic, and you have the will to sit as much time as it takes to crack the logic, then you are good to go with Tableau. So that is why whenever we are giving this, we are just saying, we are just saying, like, till you experience the product, you never know the quality of it, right? So that is the reason we didn't want to just give you some some bhashan, like some speech on this and ask you to enroll. No, we want to give you access to the first 2 weeks of Tableau training, where you can attend that first 2 weeks, and then you can actually experience that and you can judge it for yourself, and then you can decide whether to go forward or not. So that is why we are giving free access to the first 2 weeks of Tableau training, right? Now this is the next batch. This is starting date, this is the timing, 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. and the duration is 3 months. And the bonuses that we give with this are enormous. Like we are already giving learn value, and we are giving social profile building and many other things. We'll come to know them in the next. Now, how does it work? As I already have told you, first you will watch the recorded videos, which is the theoretical explanation of Tableau. If you go and register right now, you will get all these theoretical videos. And almost 3 theoretical videos are 30 hours plus of theoretical videos, just the theoretical ones. So understand the depth to which you'll be learning here. And after the recorded videos, you will be working on the scenarios, and in the live sessions. Actually, what is the need of live session? Actually, more than focusing on scenarios, like we'll discuss scenarios, but the major focus will be on your doubts. Because what I feel is, whenever you have a doubt and whenever that doubt is not clear, that is where your learning stops. And we don't want that to happen. So that is why we will first, when the session starts, the first thing that we ask is, do you have any doubts? That's it. That is one line. Once all the doubts are clear, then that is when we will enter into the scenarios. Right? So we will first address your doubts and then we will enter into the scenarios. So that is how we are planning your live sessions. Right? So these are the bonuses that we are giving. First one is social profile building. Social profile. Why do you need? I'm saying social profile building for a while, but why do you need social profile building? Because resumes are dead. Literally resumes are dead. I'll tell you why. You know, before an offer comes into market or a job offer, how many phases it goes through? First thing is, whenever there is a requirement, there will be an internal job posting within the company, internal job posting. So in the internal job posting within the company, if there is any person who is on the bench who will fit to this role, they will take him. Right? The second thing is referrals. Once if the internal job posting is not working, then the company, even I get mails from my company stating these are the openings that you have. If you refer anyone, basically someone who refers, I will get paid. In my company, I'll get paid by the basic, my base, whatever my basic is, they'll provide me the basic. So the second thing is referrals, and this is where majority of the openings are closed. Trust me, majority of the openings. Because once go to LinkedIn and see, they'll be saying, in my team I have this opening, in my company I have these many openings, and you see many posts like this, right? So when you see such posts, people will be interested. People will be, whoever are interested. If I'm looking for a job, then I'll be interested and I will be asking them, approaching them. So I am looking for change. Can you please, I'm sending you my resume. Can you please refer me? So that guy will refer and the interviews will happen and the job is closed. 90% of the openings are closed like this. And over that, the second thing is, if you are an active content generator on Tableau, right, people will start approaching you about those openings. I've seen many, and actually Srikanth is one good example for that, because when he came, he just joined. He is working as a central government employee, and he wanted to come to IT just to test the waters. And he started generating content on Tableau. Trust me, he got 3 people offering jobs and 2 freelance projects just because he started generating content. Now, not randomly generating content, there are certain guidelines that you have to follow to get an effective reach for the same. So, after these 2 parts, if the posting is not filled, that is where Naukri comes into picture. So if you start social profile building, then you will become a job magnet and people will start approaching you stating, do you want to work with us? So that is why social profile building is very important. And if you generate good content, and any of your recruiters is on LinkedIn, and if you put this LinkedIn profile in your resume, then it will be a huge value addition to your resume. Right? So build an online profile of yours. Don't rely on your resume. Build an online profile so that people, even before coming to you, they will get convinced to place you. My resume contains, first line is my Tableau public profile, second line is my LinkedIn profile, third line is my YouTube channel. These 3 are more than sufficient for them to call me, and before coming, they generally visit my channel and they come, or my LinkedIn profile or Tableau public profile, and then they come. By that time, they are already convinced by my skills. Then it is not an interview that is happening. It is a discussion. So that is the power of online profile building. Right? Now, along with that, we are also providing monthly doubt sessions. This will happen after the training. Now, in the training, this 3 months, you can ask your doubts, right? After the training, you'll be joining, you'll be facing one of these stages. You'll be preparing for the interviews. There you'll get doubts, or you are giving interviews, and there are certain questions they asked and you don't have an answer for that. And also, thirdly, you are already working, you got stuck in your project. So these 3 are there. Now, for them, actually, there is something called, in the website itself, there is something called public forum, where if you have any doubt, you can put that in here and we will try to address that. Right? If here it is not solved, or it cannot be solved just by commenting on that, you need a clear explanation. Then you can attend these monthly doubt sessions and then clarify them. Quizzes and assignments. We are formulating quiz for every theoretical video also. We are coming up with that, quizzes and assignments, so that you can test your knowledge after watching that video. You can answer some questions, and then you can understand, okay, did I get it right or not? Then this will help you once again revise what you have learned. And also we are coming up with assignments where we'll be giving you certain questions and a data set, or just the data set, and ask you to build a dashboard. These things are also in the upcoming pipeline. And as I told you, discussion forum. This is where discussion forum, which will help you not only pose your questions, but also learn about others' questions, and then trying to address them. The advantage with this discussion forum is, I always say, the true experience will always come only from solving others' doubts. You have your scenarios, you're solving, fine. But if you can solve others' doubts and other scenarios, that is where actual knowledge will come. Right? So that is about the bonus 4. Any questions, anyone? Any questions? If you have any doubts till now, you can ask me. I'll try to address that. Okay.
Hi sir, I have one question.
Yeah,
So,
sure.
sir, will you cover all these recorded video again in the class, or we will try to work on the scenarios?
No. You will always, let me show you this. These are the recorded videos, right?
Right.
And in these videos, you have your recorded videos and scenarios. Along the same, you have live sessions. These are the live session recordings. Okay. So every live session that is recorded, every live session is recorded, and you will get them. And we have automated that process, that once the live session has ended, somewhere in 5 to 6 hours, you will get the recording. You can again watch it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So next, coming in this training, actually me and Kalpana will be your mentors, who will be training you through the process. And majority of you know me, if I'm not wrong. I'm not boasting, but yeah, that is what my experience has been. But I'm literally a data geek, because I love, guys, can you please mute? I love to work with the data in any form. To be frank, I've traveled through all the concepts of data. Basically, from Tableau, I went to SQL, then to PL SQL, then to data modeling, and then performance tuning, and then an ETL like Informatica, and then I came back to Tableau. Then I did a bit of data science, but till I couldn't get the core grasp on it. I'm still working on it. That is my future bucket list. But this is about me. If you give me anything about data, I will 99% try to solve that. I'm not only talking about Tableau. So I'm a data guy, but of all the data, of all the tools or concepts that are in data, I'm madly in love with Tableau, especially with LODs. Literally speaking, LODs are the reason I started learning Tableau. LODs are introduced in 10.5 version. Till that, okay, I was working on Tableau. Yeah, just like any of us, I'm working on Tableau. But the moment I saw LODs, that is where it's like, any scenario, any complicated situation you give me, I can address that using LODs. So from that day, I generally love solving puzzles. And from that day, I used to take any scenario that I get. I used to take any scenarios that I get, and then I used to address that. Can we access? Discussion forum is open. You can always access the discussion forum. Okay. So again, before that, why did I start Tableau training? Because actually speaking, in 2019, literally speaking, in 2019, I was kicked out of my company. Literally.
Rajeshwar, sorry to disturb you. Hello.
Yeah, Kalpana.
Show my face completely, Rajeshwar, please. Or else
Okay, sorry.
I take it out
Sorry.
from me. No, take it out.
Yeah,
But
Okay. Yeah. So here I am more about, like, when I was kicked out of my company in October 2019, I was not working till September 2020. In this meanwhile, me and Kalpana, we were on the social media. We were trying to address the scenarios of many people, right? So when we were doing that, we found that there is a lot of gap in understanding about LODs, table calculations, and date calculation. And relationships is totally out of picture. No one actually have good idea on the relationships at that time. So that is where we started teaching, or we thought we will start training people on Tableau. Then we started regular theoretical based training, but then this didn't work out. So that is why we came up with scenario based Tableau training. Not assignments on a daily basis, because addressing the scenarios itself will be more than enough. So first you focus, anyone who is attending, they can focus on addressing the scenarios, and then we can talk about that quizzes and assignment parts once that is done. Right? Now I leave the stage to Kalpana. Kalpana, can you please?
do I need to share my? Okay, fine. Yeah. Hi guys, my name is Kalpana Raipati. I can say I started working on Tableau from 2013 December, I think. 2013, 2012 December, sorry. So yes, at 2012 December from version 7. From version 7. From that moment, I was working on Tableau. So one of the things what I faced is that I was giving interviews on Tableau from 2014 May. So everyone, I asked my husband's friends or some other to refer me in some other company, in some companies. Then they suggested me, not even one or two, nearly 30 or 40, they suggested me that don't rely your career on some of the tools like this. Don't just trust these tools. They'll come and go in the market within a while. They'll hardly stay in the market for 1 or 2 years. That is the suggestion I got from most of them. Even, I got one job in Dell, so I can say that now. But what they said that if you don't trust Tableau, if you come to other parts like True Oracle trainer or a True Oracle job, then they offered me the job. Then I said I was not that much confident. I was very confident on Tableau, so I have chosen this, and I quit that. I haven't taken the Dell offer. And then from that moment, even by looking at me, first the person who started working on Tableau is my brother. You can't even believe, by looking at me, nearly I don't know that person's also, but by looking at me, nearly 50 to 60% took Tableau training and they joined. Even we haven't trained them. They are doing their jobs from past 2016, 2015, 2017. But from that moment, Tableau is in the market and it is leading the market, and it will lead the market. That I can surely say. If you want to build your career, if you want to be a data scientist or some other data analytics, be a developer, whatever it might be, you should have that profile of Tableau in your resume. That I can say. I'm not saying, I'm not bluffing, I'm not doing anything else. Just go to anything, Naukri or something. Just search for Tableau profiles. Just search for Tableau jobs. You will find and you will understand. So just take a wise decision. I'm not saying you just take this. I'm asking you to choose the best path, which will lead you to jump ahead of 10 or 15 steps at a time. That is what I'm saying. I can say even Sunil, he got, I think 3-4 days back, he got the offer. And he, at that moment, I think, I know, but at that moment when he selected in some 4 companies or that, he called me and he said, whatever the words he said to me, I can remember every word, how he felt. At the time he was starting this course, he was very unsure. He don't know what to do. But after this training, I'm not saying we are giving the best, but why this training is best means we explain every scenario. Every scenario means different perception of one scenario. Every scenario means it is not like after 10th table you should learn 11th table. It is not that. Why we need to learn 11th table? How this 10th table will help us to learn 11th table? So there are some different scenarios. With that scenarios, some other scenarios are linked to that scenarios. How to understand that? How to analyze the data? Everything we will explain. That is what I'm saying. Scenario based means truly scenario based, but in the perception of understanding every concept behind that scenario. Okay, that's all I can say now. Thank you, Rajeshwar. You can go ahead. And one more thing, guys, I forgot one thing. When I have given my first interview, you can't even believe I got 11 offers. That I should tell that. Even now also, even if once you see, mark this day and mark the day after 3 months, just give your interviews, just you will experience the same. You will get offers from 4 or 5 companies. You will have ample of options. You need to choose. See, earlier the companies used to choose us, but now you need to choose in which company you want to join. That I can say. Rajeshwar, you can take ahead. Hello, Rajeshwar? Hello?
Yeah. Sorry, I was on mute. Okay. So the next thing is who can learn Tableau? Like, whoever are you there, whoever was present in the meeting, can you just ping me your profession? Right? I'm pinging here. I'm just software employee and Tableau. This is what I am right now. So guys, what is your background? What are you? What are you working as? Right? Where is this coming? Right? Someone is working in banking, someone is working as BA, already a BA developer working on Power BI, someone is again in banking and business development manager, civil engineer, again someone is a Tableau developer already, right? And 16
Rajeshwar, sorry, Rajeshwar. Just share your experience. One of the banker asked you to.
Yeah, will. So just transition from 16 years of Azure to Tableau developer. You have a great thing ahead. Then PL SQL developer. I can relate with you. I have once at a point I was a PL SQL developer also. Business development, vendor management. See, you can you can be from any profession. I even have a lecturer. Okay, someone also business analyst. So I even have a faculty who is actually wanted this transition from like being a faculty to being a software employee, and he is a faculty in a IT college, like engineering college, seeking for IT people. So you can be from any background, doesn't matter, because here the best part with Tableau is you are not required to have any previous IT experience, because right from installation to development, everything, Tableau is very easy, right? If you like, when I say easy, as a star mark associated with that, if you if you give it the time that it requires, right? So anyone from non-technical background, I'm on like, even though I have done my graduation is computer science, I'll tell you one more thing. I had 16 backlogs in my graduation. So that states how effective I was when I was what do you say graduation, and when I was in my graduation. I'm a pure, even though I'm a technical, I'm pure non-technical guy. I know zero about computers or any of the software industry. Still, I was able to get back into this industry, and nonetheless, I'm a trainer right now just because it is Tableau. And anyone who is working on cross technologies, basically those who are working already on data, they're hotcakes, because all the SQL developers or someone who is already working, because they know the style of working, right? All they need to know is learn the technology and jump into it. And for those who are coming from non-technical backgrounds, it is not at all a problem. The biggest advantage with Tableau is you can always associate yourself with your background with Tableau. Let me give an example. There's a pharma guy who approached me and he wanted to learn Tableau, and he said, how do I showcase Tableau? Then what I told him is, even many of pharma companies are looking for people who will work as Tableau developer. And imagine if you are a pharma guy and you know Tableau, you are hotcake for that pharma companies, right? Because they need not train you on any of the pharma related issues. You already know them, how that functions and how anything is derived, how is this life cycle of the pharma industry happens, everything. You have that idea. Above that, you know Tableau. You are a hotcake. So basically, if you are from any background, even from civil, there are civil companies, civil engineering companies who are looking for a Tableau. Every company, each and every company is looking for a Tableau developer. Like not developer, or I might have overstated this. Each and every company is looking for a data visualization developer. And of these, only two big players in the market, Tableau and Power BI. But Power BI has its own backdrops when it is coming to learning and being a Tableau Power BI developer. But Tableau, no, only Logic. So if you are from a non-technical background, and if you want to enter into IT industry, then this is one good platform for you to learn. And for students, imagine I recently got a person who pinged me. Like he's not a student of mine, but yeah, I can say we used to discuss on some technical topics on that. He offered me, there are opening for freshers in his company, and they're looking for 2 freshers. And imagine, just for not even campus placement, just like offline placement, he is ready to offer 6 lakhs if that person fresher is having a basic understanding on Tableau. Direct 6 lakhs for a fresher, and someone got more than that also if you are good at subject. So Tableau is one good point in your resume which can help you kickstart your career, right? And who is already a Tableau developer, if you are already a Tableau developer, and there are some places where you might place hiccups, because sometimes I do face certain hiccups. So sometimes having a knowledge on that, extra knowledge on that, or having a discussion, right? If you are already Tableau developer, if you are facing certain issues, we can discuss. And sometimes if even I am facing an issue, I'll generally bring it to the class, we can discuss, and we can enhance that, right? So this is how it will. Tableau is, what do you say, it is for everyone, each and everyone. And many of the housewives who have stopped their career, they're kickstarting their career back again with Tableau. IT or non-IT, when they want to start working again, then this is where it helps them. Everyone, each and everyone who is looking to shift to IT industry, this is one good what do you say, platform. And this is the course curriculum. We put an in detailed structure of course curriculum, every topic included. Now go through this course curriculum, right? And understand what we are saying here, along with for every of the topic that is here, we have a recorded videos, we have scenarios, and we will discuss in the live session. Now, generally, when I say the Tableau training takes 3 months, no, the main question that they ask is, why does it take 3 months? So, with these many topics, right? With these many topics and with that theoretical explanations as well as scenarios and the discussion of the scenarios, to be frank, 3 months is less. That is the level of subject that we have. So that is why we wanted to fit that in 3 months. That is why we separated recorded videos as well as live sessions. Right? So recently we have added Tableau Prep also into our kitty. There's one more trainer who is coming, but he didn't want his name to be out. So currently we are not naming him, but he's an expert. Only experts. When I bring someone into the team to explain something, only if he's an expert in that, we bring them. And you will understand when you are getting trained by that person. Okay, so these are the topics, right from installation of Tableau till the most advanced concepts like relationships, regular expressions, and spatial analysis. All these things are discussed. And server is discussed to the level where a developer is required. For a developer, whatever the server is required, we'll be discussing with that also. Right? And you might have certain questions, right? You might have certain questions about what this scenario-based Tableau training is and what are the other questions. So you can go through these questions, and then we will try to, like, above these, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us. Now, this is what we used to offer. Now, currently, as we started as a part of self-improvement, we are also adding some things like resume preparation. Like, it is not that we will prepare your resume and give it to you. No, that is not a good practice at all. We will help you build your resume. There is a new teammate who is going to come into the Triparty Analytics team, who will help you in preparing these resumes. And he is the one who is also planning for mock interviews. Even before going into the interviews, we will conduct mock interviews here so that we will give you a feedback where the improvement should be. Right? So we are planning for that also. But mock interviews, now let me state this ahead. Mock interviews, before mock interviews, there will be a test, and of those who pass that test, only we will take the mock interviews, because we need to help. We want to help those who are actually putting the right efforts. Right? So for them, we're always there. And along with that, we are going to start this referral program also. By that I mean, if someone is looking for a job, right? If someone is looking for a job, then there are many people who are approaching us stating, we have opening in our companies. Can you please refer us any of your candidates? So we are starting this referral program for those who have trained with us, that place also. There is
Rajeshwar, your voice is breaking. Rajeshwar, your voice is breaking.
Going forward, like we are also
Yes. Now it is fine. Now it is fine.
Okay. So we are planning for Earn While You Learn program, where we are bringing many topics like job support. We'll help you get the job supports. We'll help you perform the job supports. There are certain processes that, along with that, we will encourage you to write blogs and articles on Tableau. which we'll be publishing on rayapatianalytics.com, and we will give you both. As after a period, we'll check your content for a period. After a period, if you are generating content, you will even get paid for that content. Not only blogs and articles, if you are ready to give more, like what do you say, quizzes, questions for quizzes, interview, what do you say, certification related questions, if you are ready to provide, and also if you are anyways, if you even if you have any other more way where you can add value to this training, then we are ready to welcome you to the team, and also we are ready to pay you based on what valuation that it gives. Okay, so that is totally about the scenario based Tableau training, right? So now this scenario based Tableau training, it will happen 4 days a week, Monday to Thursday, 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. This is when our training is going to happen. And every day, these 4 days, every day we will have the training session, and we will be there to address your doubts as well as discuss the scenarios. Okay. So yeah, any doubts, guys? Everyone, any doubts? Great.
Hello.
Hi, Rajeshwar.
Hi.
Yeah, this my name is Deepak.
Hi.
I just came across some of your videos and I got interested in your training. Like you said, the main issue that I am facing right now is although I've got I've transitioned into a role of a Tableau developer, the actual problem I'm facing is like working on the scenarios, like you mentioned. So I just wanted to understand, like, as you mentioned in the live sessions, you'll be discussing the scenarios. So we need to first work on the scenarios, assume that we get stuck in some of the things, and we can discuss those things. So, I mean, how would the live sessions go? Would you be discussing the toughest scenario during the live session, or only like a few of them? Or, I mean, I just wanted to understand that because.
Okay. Let me give a clarity on that. Now, when we are discussing, the first question is, if you get stuck when you are doing the scenarios, right? First thing is, when the session start, right? In the session itself, we will be, first thing is, we will be asking you if you have any doubts, right? If that is a doubt related to the tool or understanding, then we'll clear that. If that doubt is related to the scenario, whenever we are discussing that scenario, we will address that doubt there. Now, to the second part coming, whenever we are discussing the scenarios, we will discuss if we discuss one scenario, and if there is any scenario similar to that, then we will ask you to try that scenario. So that you have now, earlier you watch the recorded videos, you tried a scenario, you didn't get that, right? Now we were discussing either that scenario or a similar scenario like that. Then if we discuss the scenario that you had a problem, then you got your solution. Else we discussed a similar scenario like that, then you can try to implement and get a solution to that. And again, if you don't get, there's another live session there, you can always ask out, it will be cleared. Okay. Is it clear, Deepak?
Yeah, Rajeshwar, it's clear. Just another quick doubt, small doubt. Assume that we have to work on those scenarios kind of thing. So I was a little unsure, like how much time should we dedicate? Like that is, I know I can understand that's left to us, but I'm not able to judge. I know it is very early. Assume we start the training and it goes on. So, I mean, as per your estimate, since you are aware of previously 6 batches you conducted, right? So approximate how much time should I dedicate for these scenarios kind of thing? I wanted to understand.
See, okay, addressing that question first, rather than talking about that, let me talk it in a different aspect. Every Saturday and Sunday, right? if possible, because Saturday, Sunday is where we are free, and we not only have a website, but we do have a mobile app also. So go into Google Play Store. It is only for Android. So go into Google Play Store and search for our Tableau training or Raipati Analytics. You will get the mobile app. Now, the reason we came up with mobile app or whatever the recordings are, majorly mobile app, is because we want you to go through this theoretical part whenever you are free, whenever you are traveling, or whatever mode you can find it free, you can do that. And we suggest you do that more on the weekend, because if you have covered the theoretical part in the weekend, then in the weekdays you work 1 or 2 hours to solve the scenarios. Then again, like it will be like today you invested 1 or 2 hours to solve the scenarios, and then you attend the live sessions and your doubts got cleared, and again you needed to work on other scenarios. Again you will start working on that. Again you will get doubt, you will ask in the live session. So in these weekdays, you will not have this backlog of listening to the theoretical part. You have already done that in weekend. So by that 1 to 2 hours, you can manage this. Got it?
Got it, Rajesh. Thanks.
Yeah. Because this is a proven way of actually learning that, because that is how we planned, and that is how we executed in the earlier batches, and that is how we found a more success rate in that. Whoever have got good knowledge on Tableau, they followed this process. They watched the videos on weekend, and then they have worked on scenarios in the weekdays, because weekdays we have our job and other works, right? So that if you don't have this overhead of listening to the theoretical part, you can easily address that, right? Let me open Google Play Store. Yeah, if you have any doubt, you can ask this.
Rajesh should type Tableau training.
Okay. So here, if you see, when you type Tableau training, Raipati Analytics is the website, is the app that comes in the first, right? Once you click on this, this is where you can install. In my mobile, it is already installed. You can install this and try. You will get access to all the videos that are there, right? Whatever access to the videos that you have, you can watch them in this mobile. Okay, this is a very convenient. We invested a lot to get this mobile app, but this is the most convenient way for anyone to work on, because as the concept of having mobile app is because we are giving you recorded videos, right? So to listen to that recorded videos, mobile is the best way, because almost I spend 6 to 8 hours in my mobile. So I don't know how much you people spend, but because for that, anything learning, anything if I have to listen, mobile is the most convenient way. So that is why we came with this mobile app. Okay. So any other doubts, anyone? Okay. So as a part of this training, right, as we told you, we are giving access to the first 2 weeks of the training, right? So you can reach out to Srikanth on the number I'll be providing in the chat, 9121314333. Let me add +91 to the start. And his name is Srikanth. He's the one who will be handling your queries. Also, he is the POC for social profile building. He's very good at that, and he's helping many others to get to implement that social profile building. You can reach out to this guy, and you can have any queries about access, like you have logged into the website and you're not able to see the courses that are assigned to you, all these things, he is the one who is going to address that. Right? Srikanth, do you want to give any brief on this?
Yeah. Like you want to go through the issues or anything else?
You just introduce yourself and let them know what you will do in this.
Yeah. Hi all. Myself Srikanth. I have worked as a central government employee for 10 years of my service, and in the year 2019 I decided to actually Raishar is my engineering classmate, so we've been like 15 years. So seeing him, I thought like I should transform into IT industry. And from 2019, I have learned Tableau, and from 2020, I started giving job supports for the people who are already working on Tableau desktop. As well, my interests always are in marketing. So currently, I'm into social profile building and also digital marketing. And 4 months back, I have resigned my job and I'm currently working with Rayapati Analytics. This is a broad thing. And coming to Tableau, actually Tableau is a turning point to my life because I had many things in my 10 years of professional career. I have worked as system administrator and trainer for transition of manual phase to the online phase of our department. So almost I have worked for 5 years as a trainer and master trainer in our department. So training was my part and marketing was also my part. So the analysis involved in these is with the Tableau. So Tableau also helped me a lot to change my career. And from the starting, I was into this first batch. And from then I have started my profile building. As Rajesh said, I have received 3 job offers only by creating. I have created some content in LinkedIn. You can go through my LinkedIn and see the posts. Only by posting content on LinkedIn about the Tableau, I got 3 offers, wherein they asked me to send me my resume, and I got 2 freelance projects also. However, I did not take them because I was already engaged with other works. But the purpose which I am saying is like, if you want to be a job magnet, like if many people after even taking training outside, like they might be taking Tableau training or what else other training, everyone will be searching for the jobs. But here what will happens is like after completion of first 2 weeks, I'll be conducting sessions, 1 or 2 sessions on the profile building, where I'll tell you tips for customizing your profile. Based on that, if you create some content, good content on Tableau, which you are already learning with Rayapati Analytics, then it is a good chance that you'll become a job magnet at the end of 3 months. This is my thing from my side. Aisha, thank you.
Yeah. So that is in total about this training, guys. So as I told you, if you are interested, then reach out to 9121314333 Srikanth for more details. And anyways, you have first 2 weeks of training to access. So you should attend that, irrespective of your joining or not. You attend that training and learn how it is implemented, and then you can come and if you find any issues, you can come and give me feedback always. And if you want to enroll, you can go ahead after that. Right? So if anyone has any doubts, we can go ahead, else we can end the session here. Any doubts, anyone? Yeah, Balaraju. Yeah, sir, Balaraju.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Sir, actually, I'm working in a private bank for the last 6 years,
Okay.
and my package around 4.5.
Okay.
My thing is, if I learn Tableau and before my start career, will it be considered as a fresher or my expense would be considered?
Depends. See, you are from a banking background, So you already know how bank works in and out, right? Working there 4 years. Now you can learn Tableau and portray in such a way that you already have worked on certain banking related projects in Tableau. Then you are a hotcake for the companies who are looking for banking related, the Tableau developers with a banking experience.
Yes, yes, understood.
So it will be great experience because, as I told you, there are many people who are not at all completely non-IT. They ventured into Tableau and then they got very good. Sir, one guy got 170% hike, as he stated.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Many
Thank
of
you.
us, even me, Srikanth, we completely drifted into a non-technical background and then we came back to IT just because of Tableau. Anyone can do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So, anyone with any doubts again? If you
Hi,
have any doubts, yeah, hi. Hey, Surya.
hi, Jeshwar. This is Surya. Actually, I really I tried very hard to contact you personally. Actually,
Mhm.
so I think I had a call with Srikanth and
Okay.
Kalpana even. I mean, like from last 6 years, I was working in this TCS company.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, I was working on Oracle as a Oracle PL SQL developer. Recently, I learned big data even like.
Mm-hmm.
On HDFS, a Spark. I do even Spark and Hive.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, like, I'm getting a multiple offers from different companies. But still, it is a personal thing, and please don't mind.
Yeah.
I'm still facing some bit of low confidence to change or to move into a different company, leaving this TCS.
Mm-hmm.
And also thinking to learn this Tableau as well, because if I learn this, I mean, like I feel like from start to till visualization part, I can say that I will be a complete big data developer, a big data analyst.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is the thing that in my head is rolling over weeks. So what do you suggest me?
See, you are already an Oracle PL SQL developer.
Okay.
So the thing is, if you learn Tableau, you are a hotcake because the normal job profile is Oracle plus SQL plus Tableau is a very normal profile.
Okay. Yeah.
And with your SQL plus Tableau profile, you can see the career growing like enormous growth. You can see enormous growth.
The thing is, like, I'm feeling bit low in a confidence.
The
So
reason I'll tell you. The reason
yeah.
because you might have learned that is the core concept behind the scenario based tablet training. It is not. It is about giving not only making you understand how the real time scenarios work, but also giving you that confidence. You already worked on first hand here about the scenarios, right? In these
Yeah.
3 months, you will be working on multiple scenarios. So when you are working on these multiple scenarios, even when you go tomorrow into your what do you say work, then that is one more again a scenario for you, right?
Correct.
So that is why you implemented this scenario based Tableau training. So I saw many. I said I'm not saying that, but I saw many people facing the same issue because they are learning the theoretical part, but
Okay.
they are not confident how will they implement it when they go to the real. That is where the major problem is there, right?
Correct.
So
Yeah.
that is what we want to address here. That is what we want to make you comfortable with these scenarios. We want to make you comfortable in such a way that when you go there, it is just like these 3 months you are going through the scenarios. It's again one more scenario there. That's it.
Okay.
But give your quality time to this. Weekends, watch the recorded videos daily. Even before the live sessions, try to attempt the scenarios. Right? Because once we gave the solution, it will look easy. But the struggle that you go through before the live sessions, if you want to solve that, and the struggle that you go through, that is where actual learning of yours is done. We are just a helping hand. Here, the most of the work is done by you because even in the real time when you are working, the most of the work uh, uh, most of the work is done by you, right? So that is why. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Any doubts? Any more doubts, guys? Okay. So please do attend those first 2 weeks of the training. Understand how it goes, and then even in there, if you have any doubts, you can ask us. Okay. Is that clear? Okay, tomorrow the session will start. Okay, just a second. Tomorrow the session is like the regular time session is morning 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. That is where the training will start. Okay, 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Now this is at 11 a.m. just because it is a kickoff session. We wanted to give awareness about how the training is going. So on every third Sunday, this kickoff session will happen, and the next day the batch will begin. So this time the batch is at 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Yeah, sorry, Nikhil, you raised a hand. You want to speak something? You want to ask something? Okay. Okay, Srikanth, yeah, please.
Rajeshwar, please show them that how where can they join the live
Yeah.
sessions
Did
once, so
you?
that we'll share this one video also in YouTube and LinkedIn so that everyone can understand there and directly join the session from there.
Srikanth, can you publish
Actually,
that batch 7 live sessions? Because
yes, yes,
if
yes,
you can publish that, I can show them. And
yes.
give
Give, give,
that access to Rajeshwar Tripathi at VP.
yeah, give me 2 minutes. I'll do that.
Yeah. So Nikhil, you had a doubt. Can you please?
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. So actually, I just wanted to know, tomorrow will be our first class, right?
Yeah.
And actually, I've not completed the the a 2 weeks ka training course.
Mhm.
So, hello.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. So on Monday will be like learning that also, as well as having doubt session also, or we should complete that and then only we can start with the Monday session. How is it
So
exactly?
here, how we planned is because we are starting on this Monday, you will not
Hmm.
be able to cover the total videos, right? So that is why for the first 2 weeks,
Hmm.
we will be giving you every day what videos you have to watch, like 3 videos,
Okay. Acha. Okay.
so
Okay.
that you can complete that and come. Complete that,
Okay.
address those scenarios and come. So that in the first 2 weeks, it will be a swift learning. Post that, we will leave you because after that, you understood the process. You'll understand how the process is, right?
Yes.
And you can
Yes.
start every weekend. You can watch the videos, and weekdays you can address the scenarios and attend the sessions and ask questions.
Acha. Okay. Okay. Got
Okay.
it. Got it.
Hello.
Any doubts, anyone?
Rajeshwar, just just wanted to know one thing. Like post the
Mhm.
2 weeks, like from the third week itself. So like for 4 days, we'll be addressing 4 scenarios, or it would be one scenario that would be spilled over to the next 4 days.
No. It's not about one scenario. We'll be discussing a couple of scenarios
Mm-hmm.
because there are many scenarios. So we'll be discussing each and every scenario of that.
Okay, okay. So for example, like in one class, like 1 or 2 scenarios.
See, we are not we have not planned to discuss these scenario only these many scenarios. We don't have any number. First thing we'll be asking your doubts, right? Once the doubts are done, we will be discussing the scenarios. Then how many ever we can complete this day, we'll complete this day, and the next we'll postpone it to the next day. That is
Okay,
how we plan. We don't have any stipulated that we'll be discussing only these number of scenarios. No.
okay.
Rajeshwar, I have given the access. Please show them. I
Yeah.
also launched the session.
Okay. Now again, let me log out. Mm. Now, whenever you are logging in, right? If you have to sign up, then this is the page where you sign up, right? Else, this is where you will put your credentials. Right? I'm logging in. Now, the moment you logged in, you are having here my courses, right? Now, when you click on this my courses, Srikant, I didn't get access to Rajeshwar.Rayapati.
Give me a second. Just refresh the page. Don't log out.
I didn't. Give it to rajeshwar.rayapati@gmail.com. Now, guys, whatever the live sessions you are seeing here, these are the live sessions of the previous batch. So whoever has joined this website or in the Rayapati Analytics, even before this kickoff session, they can watch these recorded videos as well as live sessions also to understand how the live sessions are going, the previous live sessions. Right? Yeah. So this here you are seeing that batch 7 live sessions. So here you are seeing one ongoing live class, right? So let me click on this. Now, once you click on this, here you are seeing 2011-2021, which is tomorrow, introduction to Tableau, right? So the moment I click on this, if the class is launched, Srikant, did you launch the class?
Yes, I have launched the class.
Okay.
Class is live.
So if you click on this join class, you can directly go there and open this Zoom. When you, okay, let me open. If I'm not sure what will happen if I open both Google Meet and Zoom at once. But yeah, so you can launch that, like you can join the Google meeting, Zoom Meet, right? And from here, you can directly attend. Even you can attend this from your mobile app also. Okay, not only laptop. If you don't have laptop in handy, you can attend the same using your mobile app, right? It's not launching because I think because of the Google Meet is still on. So I'm just closing this. And the same place, you will get, what do you say? In the same place, you will get the recording of this, right? Now it is getting launched. Yeah. So in the same place, you will get the recording within 5 to 6 hours max. You'll get the recording of that live session. So this is where you will join, and this is where our training will happen. So I'm just leaving this. Okay. So whenever you come here, pardon? Yeah.
Rajesh, please show the web page of weekly Tableau challenges and Tableau winners so that they can also go into the LinkedIn posts.
Definitely. Okay. So this is about the joining this. Like here you will get it. Again, let me show you that. When you go into your courses, if there is ongoing live session in yours, then you will get this. In this you will get this one ongoing live class. When you click on this, here you will get in these classes, whichever is going live now, you will get this live. There when you click on that, you will get this join class option, and you can click on that and you can attend. And along with that, actually, here we have weekly Tableau challenges, right? So when you click here on no more, this is where our weekly Tableau challenges, how is it conducted? Every point is given with the terms and conditions and everything. And here we are also creating a dedicated page to the winners of Tableau challenges, right? So with this, it can be a very good resume point, because here you can show that you are present in here, right? Your total profile. And if you click on something, it will direct you. Now it is not LinkedIn, so it is not linked to LinkedIn. So that is why it is not showing. Now let me do one thing. Let me copy this and paste it in here. Right? Now, if I click on any of these, it will take you to that post of these people. which made them the winner for this. So this will portray your skills. It will be a very good platform to portray your skills. So once you started enrolling, once you started learning, you can actually participate in these weekly Tableau challenges. So for every week, we have mentioned all those who are the winners. Okay. So the same way we can even for all this we are planning it to continue. So when you are a winner, you'll be placed in here. Then you can add them as a resume point, which will help you, because here you can even put the links of that, so that even whoever was interviewing you, they can come here and look at that, look at what made you win. And these are not that easy scenarios, these are a bit complicated scenarios. So looking at that, they'll understand, okay, they have certain understanding on Tableau. They'll get that confidence. Okay. Anyone, any doubts? Yeah. So, yeah, Digvijay.
So, sir, I just wanted to ask. So, from tomorrow session lecture, we will discussing only issue or challenges faced in the recorded videos, right?
Yeah, scenarios that are present in the record. And even if you have any scenarios, you can bring them. We'll discuss that also.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And someone asked, just a moment. Sonali asks, where to join the live class tomorrow? Is it on the same? So yeah, Sonali, I just shared this right here. So you'll get access. If you don't get access to something like this, right, which says batch 7 live sessions, it doesn't say this, you can contact Srikanth for the same. He will give you access. Okay. Generally, whoever has whoever wants to attend these sessions, you can just contact Srikanth. He will give you access. Okay. Can we access portal from laptop as well as mobile? Yes, Gautam, you can. So that is why we bought mobile app, because we wanted to give you more convenience. Because sometimes, even when I was learning, when I was on journey, right, it was not possible for me to attend the sessions directly. So that is why we went ahead and we got this mobile app, so that you can. Multiple logins is not possible. Currently, we are only giving one access to one person. Multiple logins is not possible. You can access either through mobile or through laptop. Okay. Yeah. So any other doubts, guys? Okay, great. So thank you all for attending this. And if you have any doubts, you can ping on 912131433, right, in WhatsApp. Srikanth will address that. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you everyone for attending this session. Thanks a lot, everyone who has attended. Right. We'll again meet 6:30 a.m. tomorrow. Okay. Thank you all. We'll meet you again tomorrow. Bye. Kalpana, can you please stop the recording?